Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your PostFinance account in Switzerland. First, make sure you have access to your PostFinance eFinance or the PostFinance app. This is where you will do most of the work. If you have not logged in yet, open your eFinance or the app and enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, look for the menu item called Payments or Transfer. Tap or click on it. You will see options for domestic or international transfers. Choose domestic if you are sending money to another Swiss account. Choose international if you are sending money abroad. After choosing the right type, you will need to enter the recipient's details. For a domestic transfer, you only need the IBAN or account number of the person or company you are sending money to. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Make sure you choose the correct currency if you are sending abroad. Some international transfers let you choose whether the money is sent in Swiss francs or in the currency of the destination country. Check the details carefully before confirming. If everything is correct, confirm the transfer. The system will process your order. Thanks for watching.